friends, for today's project I'm using a surface I found in the clearance section at Hobby Lobby. It was actually in the spring items, and I always suggest make sure you check out clearance items. Don't discount something because it's off season. I find lots of fun surfaces to chalk on in the clearance aisles. So I'm chalking the new Rudolph & Company transfer. I love this transfer so much. And I am chalking with Camel and Candy Apple Red. And once I chalk the antlers, I'm going to just pull that up real quick and then just gently let it fall back down. And the reason I did this is because the day I chalked this, it was very warm and very hot, and I have noticed that on the really hot days, even with air conditioning, sometimes my chalk paste dries a little faster than I would like. And I wasn't sure how long it would take me to get this whole thing chalked. So I was just erring on the side of caution. Probably didn't need to do that, but I did it anyway. So, and then I'm going to chalk the Rudolph & Company and the Candy Apple Red, and then I'll go back and chalk the rest with the Camel. So once I was done chalking and made sure that my surface was absolutely dry, don't want to risk smudging any of that chalk paste that we just put on, I tied some twine around the handle of my surface, and then I'm going to grab some greenery, and I found this little wreath pick that has these fun candies on it, and then I'm going to make a cute, simple and easy bow to put on that to add to the edge. This project turned out so cute. I'm so happy with this. Be sure to check out the transfer on my chalk site that has 2 different images on it, and look for another project using that other image from this transfer. I hope you like this project, and thanks for watching.